Hi everyone, Jeff Teague, Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to be looking at the 2019 Prius Limited, and I'm going to show you what the head-up display is, how it looks on your windshield, and what it can do to benefit you. The Prius Limited, all of the Priuses actually have really good visibility. You can see, I like that cutout window on either side so you can see along and through that A-pillar. Now, the touch screen here, it's an 11.6-inch touchscreen, standard on the Limited. Reminds you very much of Tesla technology, so you can see very conveniently navigation, your cell phone call use, climate, audio, all that kind of stuff. Now, we're flipping over to HUD, that's head-up display. And that shows you right there in sort of a greenish teal color, right on the windshield. I'll just pop that in right now. You can see that. And it shows you information about your car, like the hybrid indicator, your speed, and also turn-by-turn directions, right in your line of vision so that you don't have to look down to get that information. Actually, it's right there, but still, it's right where you're looking, so it's limiting distractions. To adjust your brightness and the height, you're going to scroll along the multi-information display right here, left and right, till we get to settings. And then we're going to go down till we get to HUD, head-up display. And you push this button right here to edit. And then you can change the brightness of the dash, the head-up display, I mean. And then you can also raise it and lower it based on if you're taller. You can see it disappear a little bit. Or if you're taller or shorter, it's going to disappear or appear. Let's start off our test drive in our parking lot here. Then you can see it's got the hybrid indicator and also the speed. Ba-bump. Car's so quiet in parking lots. That's one big advantage to the Prius. Just a really quiet ride. You can see the speed is matching up with on our dash. And again, the benefit is, let's see if I can, this is going to tell us turn-by-turn directions. It's almost see-through, so it's not like it's going to impede your vision.
Next right.
Thank you very much. It's very nice of her. So, turn-by-turn directions.
Proceed about 4 miles.
And if you notice, it also tells you the speed limit. How amazing is that? So I can see I'm going 46 in a 45. About to go 0. That is just so helpful. Hey, look here. RAV4 Hybrid XSE Silver. We're not done. TRD Off-Road with the XP package, 4Runner. What? Now, because I'm speeding up, you can see that the eco indicator is showing that I'm not driving as efficiently as I could. So I'm going to just coast right now. And you can see the indicator is going all the way down. It shows the battery capacity. So right now we're doing very well. And the more we drive it, it's going to charge itself. Regenerative braking. So when we're just slowing down and coasting, or we use the brakes, that regenerates all the power in the battery. See if I can show you that blind spot monitor. There it is. I'm going to turn off to see if the navigation lady gets a little bit annoyed with me. It tells me that the speed limit's 35.
Next left, and then right turn at the end of the road.
All right, that's very nice of her. She didn't yell at me for going the wrong way when I had program directions. Very cool.
Proceed about 4/10 of a mile to Glenwood Avenue.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And see, I took my foot off the gas, so the eco score is going to be low. We want the lowest eco score possible when driving.
In a quarter of a mile, right turn at the end of the road onto Glenwood Avenue.
That's pretty nifty. Now if we look, the turn-by-turn actually matches the navigation turn-by-turn as well. So that you can look, I guess if you're a passenger or the driver, you can see the same things.
Right turn at the end of the road.
At the end of the road, come along and ride on a fantastic voyage. And again, we're back with the speed limit indicator. You can see it tells us all the information that we need to know about our car and the road we're on. Did want to show you the energy monitor so you can see when it's using the gasoline, when it's using the electric motor, and then when it's going to be recharging the battery. See, if I take my foot off, it has no use for gasoline. Just like that.
Make a legal U-turn ahead.
She wants me to make a U-turn. I don't think so. She's like, please make that U-turn. I'm begging you. And I think we'll pull into the dealership now.
Next sharp left.
That's a funny looking indicator there. She wants me to really make a sharp left. Ah! Here we go. She's not going to like what I did at all. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope the video was helpful. What do you think of head-up display technology? I think it's pretty sweet. So write down in the comment section what you think, how you think it might help you. Now subscribe to Jeff Teague YouTube channel, which is Toyota Jeff. Just hit subscribe right there. And then also my dealership, I'm helping to re-energize, reinvigorate, modernize their YouTube channel. So go to Fred Anderson Toyota. You'll see Toyota news, reviews, how-tos. It will really help me if you subscribe to that channel as well. So thank you so much for doing that, Fred Anderson Toyota. You're going to be hooked up. Thank you guys so much. You're great. See you next time. Contact me if you're in the North Carolina area looking for a brand new vehicle, or if you're out of state looking for a specific vehicle, or just want to work with me and want a nice, smooth, easy process. Give me a call or email me right there.